What is the capital of France? Correct answer is Paris. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Correct answer is William Shakespeare. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is Jupiter. What is the smallest prime number? Correct answer is 2. Who was the first president of the United States? Correct answer is George Washington. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? Correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Correct answer is AU. How many continents are there on Earth? Correct answer is 7. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What is the longest river in the world? Correct answer is Nile River. Who discovered penicillin? Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. What is the capital of Japan? Correct answer is Tokyo. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Correct answer is diamond. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? Correct answer is J.K. Rowling. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Correct answer is Mount Everest. In which year did the Titanic sink? Correct answer is 1912. What is the largest mammal in the world? Correct answer is blue whale. What is the capital city of Australia? Correct answer is Canberra. Who is known as the father of computers? Correct answer is Charles Babbage. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Correct answer is Portuguese. Who invented the light bulb? Correct answer is Thomas Edison. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Correct answer is 7. What is the most widely spoken language in the world? Correct answer is Mandarin Chinese. Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? Correct answer is Jane Austen. What is the capital of Italy? Correct answer is Rome. What is the fastest land animal? Correct answer is cheetah. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Correct answer is Michelangelo. What is the smallest country in the world? Correct answer is Vatican City. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. What is the capital of Canada? Correct answer is Ottawa. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Correct answer is Harper Lee. What is the currency of Japan? Correct answer is yen. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Correct answer is Na. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is nitrogen. Who is the Greek god of the sea? Correct answer is Poseidon. What is the capital of Spain? Correct answer is Madrid. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Correct answer is Fe. How many bones are there in the human body? Correct answer is 206. Who is the author of 1984? Correct answer is George Orwell. What is the capital of Egypt? Correct answer is Cairo.